Hello.
Ching, 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 ching.
Okay.
It's going good?
So far, it's been great.
So 2022 has been great so far, and even though I had COVID in the beginning, God healed me, and I thank God for that.
It's been a blessed year so far.
Revival and restoration.
It's revival and restoration.
Revival and restoration.
To be more disciplined and have the ability to forgive people more easily.
Widespread restoration in the churches and revival among the youth for more people to come to Him.
Generally, I'm looking for a restoration in humanity.
To build a better relationship with God, family, and friends.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
If it's according to His will, then absolutely yes.
No. Because God does not find everything we ask for to be relevant at the time. Because it doesn't always help us.
Revival is a community immersed with God.
Revival to me is a spiritual awakening of a person or a group of people because of prayers of others.
So when I think of revival, I feel God's presence moving in our midst, and people are turning to God, and people are turning to Jesus, and healing happening.
For me, revival means after coming from a long day of straight 3-hour online classes, I will be so tired and exhausted. So when my mom gives me good food, I will be revived.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
Absolutely. Even more than before, since the world is more connected.
Yes.
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 Yes, absolutely. Pakka.